Once parents have decided to take out our cord blood storage services, our consultant will be handing over to you the collection kits. On the actual day of delivery, parents will have to bring these with you to the hospital. At the labour ward, nurses will be asking, "Are you storing our baby's cord blood?" Just hand it over to them and they will know exactly what to do. Collection will be done by your gynae immediately after delivery, and then the nurses will put it at the designated area, which will be then collected by our medical support team to bring it back to our laboratory. Once the sample reaches our laboratory, the assigned lab personnel will then process the cord blood through a fully automated system using CPEX2 and SmartMax. With this closed end-to-end processing system, we can then reduce the risk of contamination to the minimum. As for cord lining, it will be stored in 4 vials for multiple usages in the future. All the samples will then be stored in the liquid nitrogen tank at -190 degrees.